I never had the idea to search on my father's side, because with an SS man as a grandfather, there it was impossible to have any Jewish ancestors or like that. But then, I think it was in 2011, we were invited to Budapest in Hungary for a lecture. And 1 week ago we didn't know exactly where and when, so I gave to Google in internet my name, Seltmann, and Budapest. Nothing came about our lecture, but as first appeared on the screen Dr. Lajos Seltmann, Chief Rabbi of Hódmezővásárhely in southern Hungary. And I couldn't trust my eyes, and of course the whole night I was making research in internet. And this Hódmezővásárhely is close to Timișoara in Romania. Szeged is next close city, and this is exactly where my Seltmann family came from before they moved to Vienna. And I discovered the father of Rabbi Lajos, Sándor Alexander Seltmann in Hungarian, and Ferenc Franz Seltmann from the straight line of my grandfather on the same document. And I think they were brothers. And also the same story like on my mother's side. One part converted to Christianity, to Catholicism in Austria, and the other part kept Jewish. All Jews were killed, no exception. I made research in Yad Vashem and other places, and all were killed. And so again the story, I'm alive because of this Christian side.